Hey, first of all, congratulations, Patricia and your team on your success. It really is a fabulous book. I was honored to be an early reader. I was honored to give that testimonial for you. I'm so excited for you. I know the book is going to do awesomely well. And you know, it was close to a year ago, almost to today, that I did a virtual book launch. And I remember thinking I was so nervous about the tech end of it, the production end of it. I didn't want to have that stress, any of that worry. So I thought, who could I get that would take all of that stress and worry off my plate? Who would be the perfect person? And that perfect person, of course, was Patricia. So I reached out to her and she was so helpful. She was a master. She was the Wizard of Oz behind the scenes to make sure that we in the book launch could focus on doing what you need to do when you're presenting virtually. So thank you for that, Patricia, too. And so she truly is an incredible expert in the subject who keeps on top of it. And this is what I love. I mean, she's posting all stuff all the time with new updates. In fact, we experienced it. I mean, talk about somebody who practices what they preach. She's trying the new video stuff. She's test piloting stuff all the time. And that was one of the things I appreciated about the book too, is just encouraging people to have fun, to keep learning, to maybe take a few risks, to try some new things, because there's so many things available. So the book, it's just awesome. It's a concise read. And I know I wish I had it in my hot little hands already, because I would show you that I would probably have sticky notes all through it to flag different sections that you want to remember. The summary tips at the end are fabulous. 101 pro summary tips at the end, the little hot bonus tips sprinkled throughout, sharing her own experiences. It's just awesome. So I know it really is a guide I'm going to go back to a time and time again, even as an experienced speaker. And for the people on the call, I want to encourage you to think about not just buying this for yourself, but how about for your clients who are still struggling with online events? And you don't have to be a facilitator, even just people who are meeting online, and this isn't going away at all. So encourage them to buy multiple copies for their teams, for their entire organization, so that everybody can up their game and be less stressed out and be more confident when they're in meetings online. So Patricia, congratulations so much on your book. Thank you. It was an honor to be an early reader. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Michael. That really means a lot.